Great, thank you, Elaine. Thanks for Winncom for allowing me to present today. I really appreciate that on behalf of Proxim Wireless. I want to welcome everybody to the presentation today. As Elaine mentioned, I am presenting Proxim's latest technology, the Proxim Edge platform. I'm also going to take a minute to do a sneak peek at our Proxim AP9200R product, which is scheduled for release in a few weeks. And then I'll briefly discuss the other Proxim platforms towards the end. Proxim is one of the most established companies in the wireless industry. I think it's safe to say we established our position in the industry before everyone else was even seated at the table. The numbers that are displaying on your screen are real, and they represent a global leader in the industry for over 30 years. Yet when I tell people I work at Proxim Wireless, and then I follow up and I ask them if you've heard of Proxim, unless they're in the industry, most have not. I then tell them to look at the video cameras capturing their image at the local intersections they drive through almost every day. There's a very good chance those cameras are connected via Proxim radio. And this is true all around the globe. You can find Proxim radios backhauling video cameras for ITS, excuse me, doing surveillance backhaul all around the globe. You can find a Proxim radio in every corner of the globe. Although it's always been a very innovative company, you won't see the big marketing splash or glitz in the messaging as we roll out our latest technology to one of the many industries that we have served for many years. We just quietly continue to provide highly reliable products to all our industries and customers with all the features those wireless consumers require, and will continue to do so for many years, as we've done for many years already. Today, the overall point-to-point and point-to-multipoint broadband product strategy at Proxim is taking three paths. We have the BeamX products, and they're based on our state-of-the-art antenna technology, and they are delivering the best beam steering in the industry. The BeamX product is combined with our second path, the industry standard radio technology and switching capability of the 10,000 series products. And now we have a third path where we are taking advantage of most cost-effective innovation and using our same industry standard switching technology combined with Proxim Extreme Reliability to deliver the Edge platform. Although the Edge is placed at the lower end of the industry price spectrum, you will see it inherits quite a bit from its Proxim heritage. The Proxim access strategy is using proven Wi-Fi technology combined with our tradition of high reliability to deliver the new AP9200 product. I'll be talking more about this a little bit later. So let's look at some of what the Proxim heritage looks like in the Edge product. Extreme reliability, which is the foundation of the Proxim products. Product compatibility with all those radios out there and established customer networks. We must always keep compatibility at the forefront of our new products. And of course, our unmatched support from tools to over 35 years of experience captured and available on our support website. We are always available to help you with your product, with your design, with issues you have, typically with a live person available for you. Excuse me. As do all Proxim broadband products, the Edge also inherits Warp at its core with over 25 years of enhancement and refinement. The Edge also inherits ClearConnect for interference mitigation. And the Edge includes Proxim mobility at no additional charge. Last but certainly not least, advanced switching for integration and state-of-the-art QoS for traffic optimization. Now, please note that BeamX Smart Connect has not been combined with the Edge platform. So what the Edge platform represents to Proxim and the Proxim customer is innovation, performance, scalability, and reliability, all being delivered at a very aggressive price. So let me show you what some of that looks like. The Edge was designed to provide the performance requirements to meet the needs of most IoT, SCADA, ITS, WISP, and most industrial applications. It's designed specifically to provide just enough today with the ability to scale to meet the future needs of the network operator. It's designed to be adaptive with various built-in antenna options and expandable bandwidth. And again, to be compatible for incorporation into existing networks. And the Edge is priced at about half the price of the 800 series products, which will eventually be replacing. The Edge is sold as the same as all Proxim products are sold today. It's either as a quick bridge or as the MultiPoint solution with the base station and subscriber. For the network scalability, the Edge quick bridge endpoints can become MultiPoint subscribers. The Edge is designed to be rugged and extremely reliable, meeting the same standards of all Proxim outdoor products. Case in point, there are well over 100,000 Proxim radios in operation today, which were deployed over 15 years ago. A properly deployed Edge product today is expected to still be in operation in 2036. Because often as a trainer for certification classes, I have students coming into my classes which have been operating radios 12 to 16 years. They're coming in for an upgrade, a full forklift upgrade to latest technology. But those radios, they just don't touch them. They just keep running and running. The Edge is designed specifically to be easy to deploy and operate, taking advantage of the low-cost innovation in the Bluetooth low energy interface using the smartphone application known as Proxim Blue Connect. Blue Connect will make the job of initial setup and configuration very easy, as well as field maintenance and changes within the network. It will also be used as a tool and very helpful when troubleshooting when unexpected issues arise. Radio security is a top requirement in the industry today, of course. The Edge inherits all existing security from our industry standard products, plus BLE, which is designed to be disabled once initial configuration is complete. The BLE interface can be re-enabled at any time, so Blue Connect can be used for troubleshooting and when a truck roll to the field is scheduled. Hopefully it will prevent you from having to do a tower climb or even a lift to access the radio. The Edge base station fully supports our Fast Connect mobility. It was natively designed to support GPS location and mapping when combined with an external GPS antenna and used with PVA software. The Edge incorporates a single gigabit Ethernet port, so an external power source such as a 12-volt PoE is required to power the Edge in a moving vehicle. Speaking of power, again, the Edge is flexible, allowing PoE power from 802.3 AF when in 2x2 mode, 802.3 AT when in 4x4 mode, and then anytime with a passive PoE source. All Edge radios ship with a 30-watt passive PoE injector device at no extra cost. The Edge ships with scalable antenna options. The internal antenna is a 2x2 two-stream 15 dBi 35-degree panel antenna, but all Edge radios also come equipped with a 4x4 four-stream external antenna option. An external antenna, an external 4x4 antenna is the only requirement for this type of operation. There is no extra cost or charge for licensing to use your 4x4 mode. The effective range is very typical for a radio system with a 15 dBi panel antenna, but range can be extended as far out as 25 miles depending on the type of 4x4 external antenna used. So if you want to add a little bit of cost to your deployment and add a good 4x4 radio, then you can use this effective range in this radio system to bridge very, very far links. So as promised, I promised I would present a little sneak peek at the Orinoco AP9200R radio, which is coming out. So sometime in August 2021, we will release this new outdoor platform. This platform takes advantage of the proven advancements in Wi-Fi technology and delivers it in a rugged outdoor chassis. So at Proxim, we have a tradition of extreme reliability. So sometimes we are what appears to be behind in the technology that we're deploying, but actually what we're doing is we're waiting for those technologies to be proven and to give our development and engineering teams time to make sure that everything that we put in our radios is extremely reliable. So using the proven .11 AC Wave 2 Wi-Fi chipset, the 9200 platform delivers better throughput and greater distance than the previous access platforms that we've been shipping for several years. The 9200R uses this Edge chassis, which is why I'm bringing it up in this discussion, which delivers extreme reliability and provides Edge-like flexibility by including 7 reverse polarity SMA external connectors. By default, the radio will ship with 7 dBm Omni antennas, but those can be replaced with external directional antennas to provide improvement in coverage and also focus coverage depending on the application. The product also includes the BLE technology for use with the BlueConnect smartphone application, making deployment and maintenance super easy. The platform also uses the new mounting kit, which makes deployment a simple, easy, and flexible process. I think you'll find this platform to be very valuable in future deployments. So Proxim provides radios for point-to-point, point-to-multipoint backhaul deployments. The solutions are broken into 4 product lines: the BMX 10250 series, the industrial standard 10200 and 10100 series, the new Edge 1015 product, which is what we've been discussing to this point, and finally the carrier-grade GX824 product, which is a quick bridge-only FDD carrier backhaul product that runs in the FCC unlicensed 24 gigahertz frequency. We also will continue to offer some 800 series models for a short while. In our multi-point product line, the base stations we offer are the 10250 BSX with a 75-degree beam steering sector antenna. This covers plus or minus 30 degrees with a 17-degree electronically formed beam steered to be focused on multiple endpoints, as well as it uses interference mitigation and avoidance to set the final angle for connectivity. We also offer the 10150 BS9 and BS1. That's a 90-degree sector antenna and a 17-degree sector antenna, depending on the application. And then the Edge 1015 multi-point product comes with it's called the BS3, and it provides a 35-degree sector of coverage to its endpoints. And then, of course, there's multi-point subscribers that come in various configurations. On the quick bridge front, we call it hop in a box. We have 2 variations of that. We have a long range 28 dBi antenna model, and we have the 22 dBi panel antenna. We also provide radios with external antenna capability with an N-type connector. You'll find that in various models and options with various speeds and capability. We also offer the GX824, which I mentioned before, which is a short to medium range 24 gigahertz solution. The BMX platform comes in 3 variations. You have the multi-point BSX base station, the MultiPoint SRX subscriber, and then we also make a self-aligning QuickBridge 10250 LKX product that's designed specifically for point-to-point. The BeamX offers a tremendous amount of benefits. Most importantly, its self-alignment, as well as its interference mitigation. By avoiding interference, you're typically getting up to 6 dB in gain on your signal with the energy that can reach the far endpoint. All Proxim radios provide common features and capabilities. On the radio, it's easy setup, built-in automatic interference mitigation, excellent monitoring capability, and GPS capability. All the Proxim radios include a spectrum analysis tool, tools to measure performance at both deployment and post-deployment, and tools to aid in troubleshooting. And of course, all our radios include advanced security for both over-the-air encryption and secure management access. The advanced switching features are designed for network integration, and we have one of the most advanced traffic engineering capability in our QoS. It probably is the most advanced available on the market today in a wireless platform. Other tools that Proxim provides, we have what's called our scan tool. This allows you to locate and access all radios in the network. It operates at layer 1.5, so it's a very low level analysis. You don't have to be on the same subnet to find all the radios that are reachable on the network. This also allows you to do direct setup or modification of the IP stack. You can launch the web GUI for configuration and monitoring. And you can also do a reset and reload for a radio that's been orphaned or is no longer accessible for some reason. For security purposes, the operator or technician must have direct access to the radio to reload or reset. So it's recommended that these radios be removed from their mount location and taken back to a shop or to be worked on the bench. Proxim has gone through a tremendous amount of engineering and effort to put together one of the most advanced and capable link calculator tools on the market today. Our latest link calculator is a very valuable tool. It's delivering tremendous capability as an aid for network design, and in some cases, it's changing the way networks are being designed. It's also the primary tool that the Proxim SE team uses as a design tool. The tool is based on the Google Earth API, and the link calculator tool provides a good prediction, very accurate prediction of expected link performance. It will provide performance teams with critical and accurate azimuth and elevation, which makes alignment very, very simple and straightforward. And then for those distributors out there, it can also generate a customized quote for your end clients. PVA 2.3 is the Proxim primary NMS tool. This tool is slated for an upgrade, which will be released sometime before the end of this year. It can be used as a standalone NMS tool or to augment any existing NMS tools that you're using out there. It is extremely powerful and very, very well designed when you're managing a large network of Proxim radios. It's highly recommended that you utilize this tool. It'll make life much easier. One of the big advantages of PVA is it provides a self-documented information about the network. It can provide mapping of the devices, where those devices are located, overall network performance, overall channel usage, individual link performance, and all this can be designed with customized, the single pane of glass model, so to speak, with air quotes there, but that's designed for different audience levels and what's important to the viewer and network operator. Another advantage that PVA provides is it can be implemented in and fit into any ecosystem, ecosphere that your deployment team is using. So it's going to be, hosted environment, dedicated server, virtual environment. It can handle up to 10,000 nodes, so it's a very powerful tool. And last but not least, it also provides redundancy. So it ensures that network management is always available with a redundant server. Of course, redundancy will require a second duplicate license and a duplicate platform for operation. So that we went through very quickly, and that concludes the discussion today.